I've picked up some D21 clear front indicators. I'm going to see what the fitment's like in the Mark II S12 front bumper, and then we're going to check out the new wheels which I've ordered and see how the offsets look with the GP kit. So let us know what you think, and any comments and questions right below. These turned out to be a perfect fit. All I had to do was fit orange bulbs with them and the rubber gasket washer from the original lens. So yeah, great D21 pickup. These are the wheels I've gone for. They are JR26 17 inch by 10J with Yokohama Advan 245 4017 tyres. These tyres, if you look on the chart, would come up that they're a little bit too thin for this J reel, but this is the way I wanted to do it, just so I could get a little bit more arch clearance at the back. So yeah, I'm happy with how they've come out, and I'm looking forward to seeing how they look on the vehicle. Got metal caps and Nismo centre caps on there, just to get a nice finishing touch. These are the rears. I'll check them on the fronts now for the fitment. I've just sat the wheels on the front just so I could get a measurement to how a 10 would fit on here, and just see what the clearance over the Brembos would be like. Done a little bit of work on this wing, which is just a terrible wing on this body kit. Check that out. I've still got that to do. I've had a little brace here just to push this wing out where it was sinking in against the door. Had to put a little spacer in there against the inner seal lip where that wouldn't sit straight. Also painted all the underside, the shocks, then well, as you know, I've got the back wheel on. It's just been working with fitment really. The front of it needs to be spaced out. It seems to be sitting in too tight against the headlight. Same the other side. But it's coming along. Watch this space.